Okay, so I'm on my way to TOYHIO, but before I go inside, I know that there's an abandoned motel nearby. Last year I kind of peeped in, but this year I kind of want to walk around. I love abandoned places, so I really want to like check this out. See. There's something creepy about like an abandoned motel. Grass is growing everywhere. Stairs are taken out. There's no trespass. All the stairs are taken out. Feels pretty creepy. Jacuzzi suite. Get in trouble just walking around here, but it's also interesting that like so many people came here for vacations or whatnot, and it's just gone. Broken glass and debris and chips of wood everywhere. Some jello. Still an exit sign. Broken stairs. I could go up there, but yeah, fuck that. I'm gonna fall, bust my ass. And that's why I'm not going up there. Pool closed for the season. I sure hope it is. Alright, you hear the cops coming, so I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. As of me recording this commentary part, my buddy Matthew Phillips is live. So go ahead and follow him on the Dragon the Gulp. I love collecting toys. Collectibles. There's a toy show in Girard, Ohio, started way back in 2017, created by Rick and my dear departed friend Eli Thomas. TOYHIO is a massive toy convention for collectors like me. They also get wrestlers to appear, so my goal is to get scissored by the acclaimed. Walking in, I see some old friends. Well, old toys I had. They have everything there. Wrestler figures, Star Wars toys, Ninja Turtles, Godzilla, Ghostbusters, Fireball Island, tons of games, the freaking Technodrome. There was also tons of other sweet stuff. A collection of WWE souvenir chairs, TMNT dueling dudes, a Punky Brewster doll, a Hulk Hogan signed stadium chair. I even got to spin this belt. There was this derpy looking Mark Marrow and a derpy looking Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. There was handmade toys, a Limp Bizkit shirt my brother had, and even this obscure Playboy game. Along with toys, there was also tons of classic video games. The OG Faces of Death VHS, they had everything there for me. But after walking around, I started spotting all these toys I had as a kid. So that means let's play our favorite game. Let's tally up the toys I had as a kid that my mom threw away. Walking around the con floor, I stumbled across a sign. I'm looking through all these toys when I stumble upon some Puppet Master figures. And I didn't find one, I found tons. If happening upon these Puppet Master toys isn't a sign that your boy should be doing a Puppet Master movie, I don't know what is. Charles Band, hit me up. Spam, we want a Mark MacKaye Puppet Master movie in the comments. Hashtag Puppet MacKaye. But after spending way too much money on toys, I feel the need to get scissored. On my way, I met Willow Nightingale, Brody King, and I finally got scissored by the Acclaim. I also got my figure signed by. After TOYHIO, I was feeling hungry, so I heard that there is a old school Pizza Hut. That's right, a classic Pizza Hut. I park my car, I make my way inside. Nostalgia is hitting me like a ton of bricks. This place hasn't been touched since it was originally built. As I waited to be seated, I felt like I read 10 books over the summer and I got to go to Pizza Hut. I walk in, the manager says, "Picking up or dining in?" "Wait, you're here to check the place out, aren't you?" She says, "We get it all the time. Go ahead, do whatever you want." Owners opened up the place in the 80s and kept everything original. They had arcades, the OG light fixtures, table mats, a pizza buffet, a salad bar. I got a booth by myself and I didn't know if it'd be weird if I asked the waitress to take a photo of me, so I naturally did ask her to take a photo of me in the booth. This pizza tastes like the 90s. This is a pretty fun, time machine I went through. Went to an old motel that had HBO, looked at toys I had from the 90s, eating pizza from a classic Pizza Hut. It feels like I went back in time to the 90s. Do 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 do.